In today's digital age, artificial intelligence is evolving at a breakneck speed, transforming industries and job markets. From virtual assistants to self-driving cars, AI is everywhere. But this leaves many of us wondering, is our job security at stake? How safe is our career in an AI-driven world? Stay tuned as we unravel the impact of AI on various professions and guide you through what you can do to ensure your job stays secure. In the past decade, AI has left no stone unturned, seeping into various industries and automating tasks that were once the domain of human workers. Take manufacturing, for example. Robots have now revolutionized assembly lines, performing repetitive tasks with precision. In the automotive industry, companies like Tesla use AI robots to assemble parts, handle materials, and even conduct inspections to ensure quality control. Similarly, in the electronics manufacturing sector, companies like Samsung employ this technology for precision tasks, such as assembling tiny components onto circuit boards, a task that requires a level of precision and consistency challenging for humans to maintain over extended periods. But it's not just manual labor that's being affected. The rise of AI-powered software is also transforming white-collar jobs. For example, in the legal industry, tools like Ross Intelligence use natural language processing to sift through legal documents and case law, a task that once required countless hours of human labor. Similarly, in the field of finance, AI algorithms are being used for high-frequency trading, fraud detection, and customer service. Robo-advisors, for instance, provide automated algorithm-driven financial planning services with little to no human supervision. In the retail sector, companies like Amazon are utilizing automated robots in warehouses, which has significantly reduced the need for human labor in inventory management and product sorting tasks. The customer service industry has also seen a shift as chatbots and virtual assistants powered by AI are increasingly handling inquiries and issues that were once managed by human representatives. This rapid integration of AI across various sectors, while beneficial for efficiency and precision, raises concerns about job displacement. The World Economic Forum predicted that by 2025, automation and AI will have displaced 85 million jobs worldwide. But it's not all doom and gloom. The same report also suggested that 97 million new roles in the division of labor between humans, machines, and algorithms may emerge. Also, in some sectors, AI is being used to enhance human abilities rather than replace them. In the healthcare industry, advanced AI platforms like IBM's Watson aid physicians by identifying diseases and recommending tailored treatment options, ultimately leading to more precise and individualized patient care. Similarly, in the field of education, AI tools are being developed to assist teachers by grading assignments and identifying students who may need additional help, allowing educators to spend more time on personalized instruction and less on administrative tasks. These AI applications serve to enhance the skills and capabilities of professionals, creating a synergistic relationship between humans and machines. So, what does this all mean for the workforce? It means that the skills of tomorrow are changing. Jobs that involve repetitive tasks are at a higher risk of automation, while jobs that require critical thinking, creativity, and emotional intelligence are less likely to become fully automated. Take, for example, the field of journalism. AI tools like chatgpt are now capable of writing articles, but they lack the nuanced understanding and creativity of a human journalist. Similarly, AI-generated artworks might mimic certain styles or aesthetics, but they can't replicate the intentionality and meaning that come from true artistic expression. However, regardless of your field, take proactive steps to ensure job security in this rapidly evolving environment is crucial. How can you do this? First, be ready to acquire in-demand skills, especially in digital literacy, as it becomes an invaluable asset across numerous industries. Next, focus on honing your soft skills, including emotional intelligence, critical thinking, and problem solving, to give yourself a competitive edge where AI falls short. Cultivating a strong professional network can also unlock opportunities for collaboration and innovation, creating a support system for uncertain times. It's also important to make sure you stay informed about industry trends and take charge of your learning. Platforms like Coursera and edX provide resources to understand AI, machine learning, and data science in your specific field. Remember, the AI-induced transformation of the job market brings opportunities for growth and innovation. By embracing change, continuously learning, and nurturing your unique human skills, you are taking significant steps to safeguard your career.